English to Croatian. I will go equals.
Ići ću.
Future of to go made fun. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey do, great to have you here. Let's have fun while you nail the Croatian future of to go. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. You rock for showing up today. Teaser. By the end, you'll confidently say things like, I will go.
Ići ću.
Your goal today. You'll master the future tense of to go in Croatian with clear patterns and laughs. Ready? Pattern snap. Future equals a form of will plus.
Ići.
I will go.
Ići ću.
You will go, singular.
Ti ćeš ići.
He will go.
On će ići.
She will go.
Ona će ići.
It will go.
To će ići.
We will go.
Ići ćemo.
You will go, plural.
Vi ćete ići.
They will go.
Oni će ići.
Pro tip. Keep it smooth. After C, use the infinitive.
Ići.
Mini dialogues. Let's act out tiny scenes, short, silly, and super sticky for memory. A. Are you staying? B. Nah, I'm packed.
Ići ću.
Now. A. If the rain stops, will you join? B. Sure.
Ti ćeš ići.
Left, I'll follow. Coach, he promised.
On će ići.
To training even if it's early. Guide, don't worry.
Ona će ići.
With the first group. Mechanic, try it again.
To će ići.
We all agreed. Sunrise walk? Yes.
Ići ćemo.
Tour lead, at noon.
Vi ćete ići.
Behind the blue flag. Manager, if the tram is on time.
Oni će ići.
Straight to the old town. Rhythm drill. Clap on the beat and speak. Your tongue learns faster with rhythm. Clap clap. I will go.
Ići ću.
Step step. You will go.
Ti ćeš ići.
Snap snap. He will go.
On će ići.
Nod nod. She will go.
Ona će ići.
Thumbs up. It will go.
To će ići.
March to march. We will go.
Ići ćemo.
Wave wave. You will go, plural.
Vi ćete ići.
Point point. They will go.
Oni će ići.
Culture tip. Travel vibes. Picture Croatia. Trams in Zagreb, ferries on the Adriatic, hikes at Pledvice, language meets real life. At Zagreb Glavni Kolodvor, announcements roll, and you grin, no stress.
To će ići.
If the bus arrives on time.
Ići ćemo.
To the coast, if not.
Vi ćete ići.
By tram and I'll catch up. Either way.
Oni će ići.
Where the barrack is warm. Quick quiz. Speed check. Say it out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. Translate. I will go now. Answer.
Sada. Ići ću.
What is you will go, plural, in Croatian? Answer.
Vi ćete ići.
Complete. Tomorrow, underscore 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 to the beach. We will go. Answer.
Ići ćemo.
Translate. He will go by bus. Answer.
On će ići autobusom.
True or false?
To će ići.
Can also mean, it will work. Answer: true. Challenge time. Level up with a funny sequence. Move, speak, laugh, remember. Clap once and say.
Ići ću.
Clap twice and say.
Ti ćeš ići.
Snap once and say.
On će ići.
Then.
Ona će ići.
March 2 steps and say.
Ići ćemo.
Point to your friends, imaginary counts, and say.
Vi ćete ići.
Spin in place, safely, then declare.
Oni će ići.
Bonus tongue twister. If it works.
To će ići.
If it goes.
To će ići.
Even faster. Goodbye and keep going. You crushed it, nice work. Keep practicing a little every day. Thanks for listening. Remember, small steps, big wins. Today you mastered.
Ići ću. Ti ćeš ići. On će ići. Ona će ići. To će ići. Ići ćemo. Vi ćete ići. Oni će ići.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.